This is the video of how to clean a string out of the impeller of a Craftsman 60 volt blower. And that's the model number, by the way. But here's the blower. And took me a while to figure out what bit would work, but it is a Torx number 15 bit. And all I had was my small bits here for my drill, which only worked on a few of these short holes here on the handle, but the ones that are really deep, like down in this hole, and then these are the longest ones, I had to pull out these boogers here, and actually had to take one off in order to get to this one and this one, because I just didn't have quite enough depth to get to that. And but was able to once I took that off of my Torx bit set there. So anyhow, after I took out all the bolts, this came off, and when this came off, this little trigger mechanism here fell out, but it was easy to put back in. As you can see, just make sure the black part's inside of that area there, and then your pin is sit back in there. And then once I pulled it off too, the guard also fell off. So that's what happened. But it would have been great if this would have been able to come out without taking it apart, but it's not, because as you can see, it has these flanges on the one side there that keeps it from doing that. So anyhow, I'm going to put this all back together now, hopefully as easy as it came apart, and we'll have had a successful repair. Because what happened was, this little string from my wife's jogging pants just happened to got sucked up into this, and when it did, it got wrapped around the motor a couple times, and we were unable to get it out until I was able to cut the string off the pants and then open it up. And as soon as I opened it up, I grabbed a hold of the knot there and pulled, and voila, it came out easily. But because of that guard right there, it is basically impossible to get any kind of a tool up in there to grab hold of a string or anything at the right angle, because of the way the impellers are in the blower. So hope this video helps someone, and good luck. Don't do this. Make sure that everything is in its place before you screw everything down like I just did. That right there was hidden from me, because from this angle it looks fine. But anyhow, and also the tab that I showed you on this vent earlier goes right there.